Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Campaign activities have moved into high gear as East Portland prepares for a by-election. The governing Jamaica Labour Party JLP has rolled out its machinery to canvass support for its candidate Anne-Marie Vaz. The meeting was held today at Titchfield High in Port Antonio, Portland.
Call it, Andrew, call it! Call it, Andrew, call it! Call it, Andrew, call it!
An electrifying atmosphere at the JLP Area Council 2 conference to bolster support for Anne-Marie Vaz, the party's candidate for East Portland. No date has been set for the by-election, but history proves it will be a tough challenge for Action Anne. The seat, with over 34,000 registered voters, has been a PNP stronghold, and in the last general election, the PNP won by 2,276 votes. But for JLP MP Darl Vaz, the PNP has not done enough for the constituency.
It is a shame and disgrace to see the conditions of Eastern Portland in terms of infrastructure, opportunities, and everything else. And the question that I ask, after 30 years of having this seat and doing nothing in this seat, if you don't realize, Tom drunk, but Tom no fool no more.
Now, news has surfaced that the opposition PNP has decided not to give Andrea Moore the nod to represent the party in the by-election. Damian Crawford is tipped to represent the PNP in East Portland.
The fact that Peter Phillips realizes that his presidency and leadership of the PNP is in serious jeopardy if he loses this seat. He has decided not to go with somebody who is connected with the parish, somebody who has worked in the parish, but to parachute a political non-performer, a proven non-performer, over those who have been working and who have worked in the seat before. So what it is saying is that this is not about serving the people of East Portland. This is about securing his position as leader. And as I said before, this by-election is about action, not a bag of mouth.
And Mr. Vaz also took a jab at Damian Crawford, who once represented East Rural St. Andrew. In 2015, Mr. Crawford said he was tricking the public when he said he would not seek re-election, later stating that the comment was for entertainment and was not to be taken seriously. Mr. Vaz recalled that moment in time.
And when they asked him, when he was campaigning, how come you tell us you're not running back? And no, you're going back as a candidate in this election. Him said, I tricks you. I tricks